This video is going to cover how to add new pages to your website, specifically for the addition of your shows. First things first, you'll go to the link that I sent you, which is the domain with the word backdoor in the navigation up here. You're going to see it will prompt a page like this. You'll put your username and password, which is in the email. Once you log in, rule of thumb, please just disregard anything on the site asking you to do something or alerting you. That's all my stuff. And if I don't train you how to do it, don't worry about it. But first things first, what I then like to do is up in the nav bar here, to add a new page, you'll see this option, new. You're going to hit page. And you're going to come here and you will see that you will always have an option of title. And as soon as you hit the title in there, this area is what's going to populate on the front end of the website that the person will see. This section of the site will automatically pull whatever title is here. But this section, if you for some reason you want this permalink to be different, meaning the link that's in the nav bar, you have the opportunity of changing that to something different. So just know this is what people see, and then this is what the link is, which people will also see, but meaning this is what is in the navigation. So you have the capability of changing that. Once that's done, then what you're going to want to do is go to YouTube, and this is once you've already submitted then to YouTube and have a link. We're going to use this as an example. You'll come here, this is the video, and you'll come and click share. Once you come to share, I would then go to embedded, and then here is the actual code that we're going to be taking from YouTube. If for any reason you want to start it at a specific point, change some other parameters, have some fun, you can do so, but generically speaking, to start it from the beginning, you'll go ahead and take this code and make sure that you're copying and pasting it on your, or copying it on your keyboard, or right-clicking it, however you want to do so, but just, or you can click copy. Now, I'm going to go back to this other tab, and this is very important to pay attention to, that there is a visual and text opportunity here. When it's visual, and if you were to click and just copy and paste, it's not going to show. So make sure you go to text, copy or paste it here, and now you can go back to visual, and there it is. If you want it to be centered, you just click on this, hit this align center. It will then do that once it goes live. And at this point, all the other thing that you have to do is on the right hand side, hit publish. Once you hit publish, this domain, this page will not be on the navigation, but now be something that you can send, share, etc. at your leisure, and whoever has that link then will be able to access that page. But if you do want to create a page, whether it's for the purpose of this video or not for the show, you can create the page, and then once it's published, on the left hand side you'll hit appearance, you'll go to menus, and then menu has all of your pages here, and anyone that's ever been published, you can select it, add to menu, and then here it is. You then can drag and drop if you want it to be here underneath about, and or what we call sistering, meaning you want it to populate underneath something, and that way when you hover over it, it will drop down to that. For the sake of this tutorial, we're not adding it to the navigation because I think these are just going to be for your videos. But once you do that, hit publish, you then once again can hit share. If for any reason you want to add some text or script to it, you can go ahead and enter a few times. Now put in here test or title, blah blah, and you can change some of the the way of the look if you want it italicized or centered, etc. You can have fun with that. Once you're set, you then hit publish. I'm not going to do that because I don't want this into your system, but then again, that's how you do it. I hope this was helpful. If you do have questions or concerns, you know what to do. Thanks so much.